In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Spotify to your Opera GX sidebar. If you also want to access your Spotify within a couple of steps by adding it to the sidebar of your Opera GX, then in this video, let me show you how it's done. Now, first of all, open up your Opera browser, and then on the left hand side, the sidebar will open up. You just need to click on this player option, and you can see all of these applications that you can add to this sidebar. From here, you just need to pick the Spotify option, and the interface of Spotify will open up. Now here you can log into your account by clicking on login on the top right. Now once you are logged into your Spotify, you just need to click on this player and your Spotify will open up. Even when you close off the app and open it again, the Spotify option will still remain on the player option. So within one click, you will open up your Spotify. This way you no longer need to open up the website of Spotify. You can easily access through the player on the sidebar of Opera GX. So that's how easily you can add in Spotify to your Opera GX sidebar. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.